Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start immediately by confirming the medication and inspecting the glass. This avoids drawing contaminated or wrong drug. Once confirmed, wipe the ampule neck with an alcohol swab to reduce surface microbes. Hold the ampule upright, thumb over the top or use gauze, and snap the ampule at the scored line away from your face. Do this confidently so glass breaks cleanly. Make sure you already have a sterile syringe and filter needle, ready to prevent glass fragments entering the syringe. Once done breaking, invert the ampule slowly and insert the filter needle just through the opening. Avoid touching the rim to keep sterility. You withdraw the exact volume at a steady pace so you minimize foam and air bubbles. Pull steady to let fluid flow into the syringe. Make sure to check the dose mark and tap out any small bubbles. Then, if an injection needle is required, carefully replace the filter needle with the correct gauge needle while maintaining aseptic technique. You finish by holding the syringe upright and expelling air until a tiny drop appears at the tip. This ensures accurate dosing. Make sure to label the syringe with drug, concentration, and time, and either cap it using a one-handed scoop or transfer to a needle holder. If you see glass shards or particulate matter at any point, do not use the ampule. Discard it and start over with a new one to prevent emboli. Document lot number and any abnormal findings per protocol.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.